Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my spice using garlic, ginger and crushed red pepper. So I've peeled them up and put in my blender, adding my crushed red pepper to my desire with a little bit of water, and I'm going to be blending up my spice. Now back to my video. So the reason why I did this was that on my last video when I was grating my garlic and ginger, it was really frustrating and tired. It was the middle of the night. I needed to cook and I have to go through this long process just to have the season in my cooking. So while I was doing it, I was just thinking of something to do, how to make this how to make this a little more easier for me, and I came up with this idea. So how about I blend this whole thing together and have it ready whenever I'm ready to cook. And yeah, and that's why I'm doing it right now, and I think it's a good idea because ever since I did this, my cooking has been so fast and easy. Like I don't have to be grating my ginger and garlic. And now I'm finished blending it. I'm just putting it in my jar. I will be putting it in my refrigerator. Whenever I'm ready to cook, I can always bring it out and just add in my spice to my cooking and make my cooking easy and quick. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave your thought down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like. If you are new to my YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the family of awesomeness. Subscribe and join the family, and share this video with your friends and your loved ones if you think it might be interesting to them. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Yep, once you finish, put the lid on it and clean it up. Put the lid on it, put it in the refrigerator. You have it whenever you